Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to enter into the safe mode on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, the first thing which you need to do is to simply go ahead and access the power off menu and then simply select power off once. From here, you are going to long press on the icon like so and it will switch to safe mode. Then go ahead and tap on it. Simply wait for your phone to restart in safe mode. Once it's finished going through the restart, you should see a safe mode tag on your screen. And when you are unlock your phone, you will also see some apps will have been disabled, telling you are successfully in safe mode. If you want to exit from the safe mode, you just need to simply restart your device and you will be exited from the safe mode. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.